Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is more of one-on-one talk with you all, and that is related to I can completely relate that अभी बहुत सारे students panic में हैं. Most of you are waiting for the results जिन्होंने भी जून का attempt दिया था. I can completely relate with you, and it's very disheartening to see such a delay in the results because it's already 40 days since we have got our answer keys and the second answer key as well has been released. उसके बाद भी अभी हमारा फाइनल रिजल्ट नहीं आया है. Many students are panicking and I can relate to it, so it's absolutely normal. First thing, try to not loosen your hopes, try to not just give up and think about changing your stream or something, because I have few of the students on YouTube as well. They're like, ma'am, let's leave this stream and let me just start over something else. No, if you are actually, or if you actually want to go ahead in this particular stream with a delay of a month or something, we cannot think of changing the stream. Okay, so have patience, have faith in yourself that अगर आपने अच्छे से मेहनत की है, you will be getting the results out of it. Yes, there's a delay in it, but it's absolutely fine. It's all government work, so we will get the results for sure. So just have and stick back for few more days, few more, like maximum a week or something. So one important more advice that I would like to give you कि अगर आपको दिसंबर के एग्जाम के लिए तैयारी करनी है, like there are many students who are just waiting कि हम अपना ये वाला स्कोर देखेंगे एंड इसके बेस पे वील बी स्टार्टिंग विद आवर दिसंबर अटेम्प्ट एग्जामिनेशन प्रेपरेशन. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू डोंट सिट फॉर द रिजल्ट्स नाउ, बिकॉज अगर हम और अपना टाइम अपने सिर्फ रिजल्ट की वेट में वेस्ट करेंगे, वील बी एंडिंग अप लूजिंग टाइम फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट प्रेपरेशन, बिकॉज द जुलाई इज ऑलरेडी अबाउट टू एंड. It's 21st already, so you just have 10 days left in this month, and after that only 4 months would be in your hand December attempt के लिए. So instead of wasting time, instead of just sitting and waiting for the results for this June attempt, अगर रिजल्ट अच्छा आता है वेरी गुड, अगर नहीं आता है तो उस टाइम के लिए खुद को सेफ गार्ड करने के लिए यू शुड स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग अगेन. डोंट गो विथ फुल throttle. I would suggest you start with a normal pace, but at least start studying, start preparing for it, because it's very important for you कि आप अपने टाइम का ध्यान बहुत अच्छे से रखें. अगर हम अगस्त में प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमारे पास सिर्फ 4 मंथ्स बचेंगे जिसमें आपको रिवीजन भी करना है, आपको कुछ टॉपिक्स भी ऐड ऑन करने हैं, आपको प्रीवियस ईयर्स भी करने हैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ like wasting few more days, few more weeks just for the wait of results, I would suggest you एक small pace पे, एक लाइटर पेस के ऊपर अपनी प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट करो. अगर आपको कहीं ज्वाइन करना है आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, आपको सेल्फ स्टडी करनी है आप सेल्फ स्टडी कीजिए, बट ट्राई टू start with your preparation. It would save your time, it would help you out to प्रैक्टिस आउट मोर फॉर योर डिसम्बर अटेम्प्ट. अदरवाइज जब हमारा रिजल्ट आएगा उसके बाद बाई चांस अगर आपका नहीं होता है, यू डोंट गेट इन टू इट, देन देर आर चांसेस, बिकॉज अभी स्कोर कार्ड आएगा, स्कोर कार्ड के बाद यू विल बी हैविंग द कट ऑफ एज वेल, राइट? सो देर स्टिल टाइम लेफ्ट फॉर आवर रिजल्ट. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट अगर आपको दिसंबर के लिए स्टार्ट करना है, डोंट वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट्स एनी मोर, प्लीज स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग. टाइम हमें, we have to manage out the time very effectively, right? And for managing out the time, it's important for you to make sure that you are planning the time properly. So it's a very important advice and an important suggestion that you can take from my end. If you look into our channel, so we have 2 courses running at time. One is a full course, one is a crash course. The full course is started on 15th of May 2023, and the crash course started on 16th of July. So whichever you wish to, and if you want to join, you can download our application. The link is in the description box and you can join in there. It would help you out. उसमें previous year questions की practicing भी करेंगे, hard copy notes भी होगा. There are a lot of things in the same. You can download the app and get the complete information. So this is the important or a one-on-one talk I wanted to have with you all. I hope it's helpful. Don't loosen your hope. all the very best. Good luck everyone, take care, and let's hope many of you qualify with the results. I'll be uploading, or I'll be updating with you all with the results information as and when we get it. So all the best, good luck, take care everyone.